Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can open a Cash App business account. It's very easy thing to do. First, open your Cash App on your device, then log into your account. After logging in from the home page, tap on the profile icon from the top right corner. Then here you will redirect it to your account section. Scroll down and in the accounts and settings section you will see an option personal. Tap on it. Then here you can see an option switch to a business account in the bottom. Tap on it. Now here you will see some steps of switch to business account. Just tap on switch to a business account. Now how do you do business? If you are alone, then select I'm an individual, and if you have partner, then select other in corporate business. Then tap on continue. Then Cash App will ask you to verify your personal identity, confirm business details, and build a safer Cash App. Tap on continue. Now you have to verify your identity with a photo of your ID and face to continue. And tap on continue, and you have to verify your identity and provide what they need and follow the prompts, and that's it. That's how you can create a Cash App business account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.